Y'all, I am currently busy being late for an event that I cannot be late for. So today we're gonna be doing this thing with my buddies, Chris and Christina. Cute name, I know, right? We're gonna go out in town, do some shots, but not really pose, but kind of direct them when they're posing. You'll see.
Well, I guess to clarify, what your host is trying to say, more natural looking photographs. After burning the least amount of rubber ever, it was only a 10-minute drive, I made it to Chris's graduation painting.
Just wave. Yeah. Just like, hey. Yeah. That's all there is to it. You just gotta wave.
Are you recording? Or are you...
Yes, it's video. It's video. So dark.
We love you.
Yeah, this is get the love message in. Should I just get out the way?
No. No, get in the way.
Look at you graduating all kinds of stuff. So you're basically able to be one of those scientists in a movie now, right? Yes, that was a good idea.
I always like to start off with more pose photos and try to sneak some pics in between the posing to get those more natural shots, the more playful ones like this right here. Also, having a good physical point of contact shows that you really kind of like the other person you're in the shot with, whether that be couple shots or your best friend shots.
Gotta go get Mr. Rushmore here because we are going out on the town. Oh, you got on that shirt? This is so not planned.
I was like, I wear it for the first time. Maybe it's gonna be kind of nice. Yeah, I walk in with a camera in my face. I was not.
We're gonna be those people tonight.
I was feeling a little bit too good at this point tonight, so I slid on a telephoto lens. I got away from everybody and shot from afar. And another tip is to let the good stories and good times unravel, and you can't help but get those really natural shots. And one more thing, once everybody's cooled down and settled in, get one more pose one foot of road and everyone's really loosened up. And you can't help but have a good natural photo shoot. I'm Yeager for YeagerShots.com. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I really did like hanging out with you. Please come on back here. Subscribe again to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.